Imagine an AI that not only writes video games, solves complex brain teasers, and aces IQ tests, but also has PhD-level knowledge. Is it possible for an AI this advanced to eventually exceed human intelligence? Welcome to another mind-blowing video from MoneyMind AI, where we explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay updated on the latest trending AI content. The rise of Project Strawberry. What's so special? Let's dive straight into OpenAI's latest creation, once codenamed Project Strawberry, now evolved into what many call the smartest AI yet. They say this AI can write video games, tackle tricky logic puzzles, and even simulate advanced physics. But what truly sets this AI apart is its ability to plan, something previous models struggled with. Picture requesting it to develop a 3D adaptation of the classic Snake game. One prompt in, and bam! A fully functional 3D game appears, complete with obstacle detection and game over features. But wait, there's more. This AI isn't just creating games. In one case, it even played chess against an AI opponent. It had programmed itself. Yes, you heard that right. An AI that coded another AI? Are we living in a sci-fi movie, or what? Could this be the first step towards machines that invent new technology without human intervention? AI programming. Another AI, the real sci-fi moment. Let's pause for a second. This is an AI that not only writes games but also writes other AIs. And what's mind-blowing is that it does this in real time. It can build entire ecosystems of AI programs that collaborate, or maybe even argue about whose code is better. The idea of AI designing and building other AI systems is mind-blowing. Imagine what happens when you put a team of 25 of these brainy little AIs in a simulation, organizing a Valentine's Day party, or even better, creating a whole virtual world. The most thrilling part? These AIs can not only execute tasks, but also provide explanations about their thought processes. If you're not a programmer, don't worry. It breaks down its steps so anyone can understand how to use its code. No PhD necessary. The Tron game example, AI that plans ahead. Planning is where this new AI shines. When asked to create a futuristic Tron-type game, not only did it churn out functional code, but it also added camera controls, allowing players to view their progress or failure from different angles. The AI carefully analyzed and strategized its response before executing the task. This wasn't just about solving a single task. It was about creating an experience. And it did so flawlessly, taking planning to a whole new level. Solving complex puzzles. A brainy AI that thinks, here's where it gets wild. When given paradoxical prompts like, how many words are in the answer to this question? Zerania, the AI doesn't fall for the trap. It pauses, processes the complexity of the situation, and provides a well-thought-out response. This level of reasoning shows that AI is getting better at handling ambiguity and complexity, traits we previously thought were reserved for human brains. Now, if you're into brain teasers, how about this one? The AI was tasked with writing a poem where the first letters of odd lines spelled out a hidden message. It nailed it within 35 seconds. While we humans might struggle with all the constraints of rhyme, meter, and hidden letters, this AI breezed through it like it was nothing. The future of AI intelligence. So, is OpenAI's GPT smarter than the average human? It certainly seems like it, but the key here is understanding its limits. While it excels in logic, reasoning, and programming, it still lacks the emotional intelligence and nuanced decision-making that humans bring to the table. However, with advancements coming at such a rapid pace, who knows what the future holds? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mind of AI, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let us know in the comments, do you think AI will surpass human intelligence in our lifetime? Stay tuned for more fascinating AI breakthroughs here on MoneyMind AI.